发现这个不是班怎么是管的太多了，拍照居然还要 pass。我一会儿得看看到底什么 pass 需要。免费的我弄一个，反正我带了给你看。
During your ride, please keep your hands and arms down with your head back against the headrest at all times.
Scan platform. Platform clear.
Now hold on tight as you soar high over the Celtic coast on Finnegan's Flyer. Please unbuckle your seatbelt and lift up on your safety harness, and exit quickly and carefully towards the Ireland Village. Please gather any items you may have placed in the designated bins. Thank you for riding Finnegan's Flyer, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens. Welcome to Finnegan's Flyer. Loose articles are not permitted. Please place any loose articles in one of the designated bins. Please walk quickly and carefully to